The cheetah is the world's fastest land mammal and can go from 0 to 60 miles an hour in only 3 seconds. These cats are nimble at night speeds and able to make quick and sudden turns in pursuit of prey. There are fewer than 7,000 adult cheetahs remaining in the wild. Cheetahs live in a range of habitats across eastern and southern Africa. Human settlements have fragmented their habitat, and most protected areas are not large enough to sustain cheetah populations. In Africa, almost all of the countries in the cat's range participate in regional conservation efforts that aim to address habitat loss by improving land planning, raising awareness of the need to save cheetahs, and promoting the peaceful coexistence of cheetahs and humans. Thank you for watching.